Hi guys, and welcome again to iConstruction TV. In this video, we are going to be sharing a very interesting news of a productive youth from Daurawa in Dala local government area of Kano state. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, just hit the subscribe button, like, and make sure you drop a comment below. Faisal, who has a brand name called Faisal Art, decided to wow Nigeria by designing and fabricating a tricycle, popularly called Keke Napep. This young man is just 24 years old and he went all through the designing stage to the fabrication. Now, these pictures highlight some of the stages. You can see him actually making a rough sketch of how this proposed keke looked like, to the where he started fabricating and mounted the engine, the tires, and the rest of them. It tells us a story that Nigerian youth are productive and it is possible. No one could tell what engineering software he used. It could be either AutoCAD, Revit Architecture, 3D Max, Blender, or Cinema 4D, but we got to give it to him that this young man is doing well and is making Nigeria proud. His name is Faisal and his brand name is Faisal Art, so you can check his IG page, his Facebook page, just to have a glimpse of some of the things that he does and actually appreciate the inherent skill that this young man is bringing to the country. We hope that Nigeria and Africa and the world put together would see the skills that this young man has and sponsor him to get much more popular, to get more production, and to get more work done. Kudos to Faisal Art and to every Nigerian that are hardworking to change the narrative that we are much more of a producing nation than a consuming nation. Do not forget to like, share, and make constructive comments to iConstruction TV, and most importantly, subscribe. Hit the bell button so that you get notification for our new videos. And one last thing is this: make sure you do engage a professional builder, an architect, a quantity surveyor, or an engineer for safer projects, for economic projects, and for the best output in construction.